Now, as we head towards the formal inauguration of Ideas 2022, first and foremost, may I request our distinguished guests and dignitaries in the first row to kindly rise and participate in the ribbon-cutting ceremony that will formally open Ideas 2022. I must also apprise you that this ribbon is specially designed as a keepsake, just as Farooq was mentioning the commemorative postage stamp. This goes with you to remind you of the 11th edition of the International Defense Exhibition and Seminar 2022 here in Karachi. May I once again request our distinguished guests in the front row to kindly rise and participate in this ribbon-cutting ceremony. It will be simultaneously done with the other part of our inauguration.
Yes, Siddha, definitely. I would now like to request the chief guest to formally inaugurate Ideas 2022 by moving towards the kiosk, and I would request the head table delegation also to accompany him. And there at the kiosk, he would be pressing a button to formally inaugurate Ideas 2022. May I request the Honorable Foreign Minister, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, to do the honors.
Ladies and gentlemen, 500 participants, 57 different countries. Ideas is now set to open doors for the world.
The Chief Minister Sindh, the Federal Minister for Defense Production, and the DG Depot is accompanying the chief guest, the Honorable Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. And we are waiting for the countdown now.